everybody, my name is Geet and I'm a functional nutrition specialist and a yoga therapist specializing in mental and emotional well-being. So today I'm here with this beautiful energy healer Amrita on Ashwem Beach in Goa. She had an incredible retreat and we are on our last day and I had to just come and give her the nicest, deepest hug ever. And we are right now at Ashwem Beach. As you can tell, it's perfect sunset time. There is a lot of activities like paragliding.
Yes.
You literally walk barefoot, which means grounding, which eases your anxiety, makes you feel and look better because it is one of the major holistic ways of getting rid of any emotional stored trauma and get electromagnetic rays from the earth into your body so that you are vibrating and feeling alive. And nature is the best cure ever. So we are here enjoying sunset, nature, sun, sand, connection, friendship, and much love to you all.
My God, see, so sweet.